Nakakatanggap po ba kayo ng envelope kay Asek Paharta? Yung totoo po, ma'am. Remember, you are under oath. Aside from your allowance, from your regular budget, nakakatanggap po ba kayo ng envelope just like Yusek Mercado and Director Osias from Asek Paharda?
Yes, sir.
Magkakano?
Minimal amount lang po.
Which is how much po?
It's not even,
Magkano po?
it's 25,000.
25,000.
Hmm.
How many times po? If you could recall.
9?
Ilan?
9 times.
9 times. From what month up to what month?